Hi, I'm Ben Russell-Smith. I am CEO of R Lights. Today I'm going to talk to you about Sentinel, our range of 9-inch and 7-inch round lights. So these products are doing extremely well in the US at our Arizona base. We've got a lot of customers in the power sports market taking these 7-inch products. Huge power coming from the Elite. We've then got the 9-inch doing very well in the bigger truck market for the US customers. Today I'm going to tell you the features and benefits of both of these products. So the Sentinel 7-inch, the lamp itself, it comes in a standard and an Elite format. The standard is giving you nearly 5,500 lumens. So it's a lot of light for a lamp which is 64 watts power consumption, so about 5 amps. The Elite version, you're up at nearly 10,300 lumens. So nearly twice the performance from the Elite product as the standard. What's important to say though about the difference there, that extra light is giving you a lot more spread in the mid-range. So actually the 1 lux line for the 7-inch standard is very similar to the 7-inch Elite. So it's really the spread that you're getting additionally from the Elite product. So both of those products are SAE DOT approved in the low output mode. This product can run at 20% of its intended power. That is the SAE DOT approved output in order to get it to comply with US federal regulations on lighting. When you boost it, you're at 100%. That's when you're using it off-road. And you do that by inserting a magnet at the back of the lamp. So it's very simple to do. But essentially there's a small little magnet here which you can unclip and remove from the lamp in order to get it to run in that low output mode. And with the magnet in place, you're running in the high output mode. So with the Sentinel 7-inch, in terms of the beam pattern, you're getting a combo beam. It's a really nice beam pattern which is giving you this big distance. So up above 700 yards in distance for the 1 lux line, but it's also giving you this incredibly wide spread, getting to plus 30 degrees left and right of the center line. It achieves that by having the spot optics in the center of the lamp, and then it's got the drive optics, which are the wide ones at the top and the bottom of the lamp. So I'm showing it here with the yellow lens cover in front of the product. So a lot of the time customers are looking for a yellow beam of light. Our lens covers are now hard coated here at our factory in the UK. So that means when you are using them in the dunes or off-road racing, on trails or whatever, they're not going to get damaged from the sand and dirt that are hitting them. So in the case of the Sentinel 7, if the driver is not looking to be using the yellow lens covers, but they want a yellow beam, then it's important to say that the 7-inch is also available in an Elite yellow. So that means that the lamp looks the same. It's got the clear lens in white, in clear, but the LEDs are high power yellow emitters, which are giving you that fantastic warm color of light on the road. So the Sentinel 7-inch Elite is coming with a white and amber backlight. So at the time of wiring in the light, you can choose which one you would like to wire up, or of course you can connect up both and you can connect them on a switch to have either the white backlight or the amber backlight running. The Sentinel 9-inch, on the other hand, both the standard and the Elite are coming with the backlight function. So again, like the 7-inch Elite, with either Sentinel 9-inch standard or the 9-inch Elite, at the time of wiring in the light, you can choose whether you want to run the amber backlight or the white color backlight. Onto the Sentinel 9-inch. So this comes in a standard and an Elite. The Elite comes with the black lens cover as standard. It's also got the wide bracket, which all of our customers in the US get as standard with the product. That gives it extra strength and durability for some of the tough roads that exist out there in the States. The Elite product has more lumen output, so you're up at 15,500 lumens for the Sentinel 9 Elite. The standard, you're at about 9,500 lumens. But what that extra amount of light is giving you is a lot more spread in the mid-range. So you're achieving a similar beam distance, 1 lux at just over 800 yards, but you are achieving a lot more light where you need it at the sides of the road in the first 500 or 600 yards. It achieves that by having the spot optics in the center, and then it's got the wide or the drive optics at the top and the bottom. The lamp comes in 2 intensity levels, so it's normally running in the full power high output mode, and then it can also run in a reduced output mode down at 20% of the high output value. And the beam pattern on this product is giving you a combo beam from the spot optics in the center and the wide or drive optics from the top and the bottom. It's got a beam angle of 52 degrees, so that means 26 degrees to the left and 26 degrees to the right. So really nice spread, which is great to drive on those roads where you really do need to see what's coming at the side of the highway. Color temperature is 5000 Kelvin, and as with all of our RRR products, we are using high CRI LEDs, which means high coloring rendering index. That allows the driver to see very clearly the color of things at the side of the road, things that are on the road, and you get a much clearer visibility of the trail. So the Sentinel 9-inch is a high power light. So the standard version, you're up at 8 amps current draw, and on the elite version, you're right up at 14.7 amp on the current draw. So these products are pushing out a huge amount of light. And finally, of course, these products are coming with our 5-year warranty. All of the products are made here in the UK. They are built tough. They are IP68. We test each one extensively before we ship it to our Arizona warehouse. I do hope you've enjoyed watching the video and you've learned some points about the Sentinel product range. Thank you very much for watching.